In this lecture, we're going to show you how you can run your Qt Quick applications on iOS. The first thing you need to have is to have the kit for iOS installed. We showed you how you could do that when you installed Qt and Qt Creator. Another thing you need to build for iOS is Xcode. Xcode is a native development IDE for Apple devices. You can use it to develop for desktop, Mac OS, or for iOS. So we need it because there are a few things that it helps do in helping generate a binary for iOS. Another thing you have to do is to have your project generated in Qt Creator. The same thing we've done here really. And if on your Mac, you come here and choose the iOS kit, which you should know how to set up from what we did for Android, you're going to have Qt Creator set up things for you. And when this button turns green, I want you to not click the green button here, but click the hammer button here to build. When you build, Qt Creator is going to create an Xcode project, and it's going to be located where your project is. Okay, in this case, it should be in this location here. You're going to find an Xcode project icon. You can click on it to open it in Xcode. And when the project is opened in Xcode, you're going to run it like you would run any iOS application from Xcode. And you're going to see it run on your iOS emulated device. Okay, this is really a short video to point you on directions you should follow to have your app run on iOS. If you have any problems doing that, please ping me in the QA section, and I'm going to see if I can help you out. Before we wrap up this video, I'd like to go to this link here where they give more details on things you should know when running your Qt applications on iOS. Okay, they say how you should get started. They really say that you should maintain a PRO file, a QMake project, build the hammer icon to generate an Xcode project, and you can run this Xcode project. It is also possible to run directly from Qt Creator, but there are some limitations if you don't have a team set up in your Apple account. I don't really have more details on this because I don't use Apple devices. You can read more on this if you are interested in those kind of things. Okay, this is all I had to say in this lecture. In the next one, we're going to look at Qt Quick controls and how you can use them to spice up your UI. I'll see you there.